My pair for next week, starting off for gold and silver. So gold, we are expecting that next week, USD pair will be getting bearish. So we are expecting that if the excuse me, if the U- USD is getting weaker, so most likely the correlating pair will be going to be bullish, which is the gold, expecting that this one will be bullish for next week. So right now, weekly time frame still on the 1 2 3 strong bullish candlestick. Daily we are still on the zone, kind of having a reaction on the reaction on this daily EMA. So my play for next week is, um since we are still on the zone, this is the higher low, higher high. We're at the zone of the 4 hour. So I want this one to kind of be having 1 hour 1 hour retesting on this. So on the retest, I'm gonna look for my entry, which is 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So kind of the same thing around this area. So repetition, you have a shift on the bullish. We are entering on the bullish candle, aiming at probably 2 RR, because every time we retest on the area around this, we are going down, retest going down. But if the market give us once again um a break, then look for a higher low, and the higher low, we're gonna look for our entry once again to continue to the upside. Same thing for silver. Silver, the same thing. We're still in the zone. Um, Weekly time frame is same thing. Daily, same thing. 4 hours, same thing. We're still in the zone. Um, Hoping that the market give us another retest, and then retest give us an entry on 15 and 5 minutes. Like what I said, same thing. Break higher low, higher high. On the higher low, we are looking for an entry. Same thing like this to continue to go up. Same thing like that. But we might gonna be um let's say if the 1 hour give me a clean shift on the shift of structure, shift, and then pullback on the pullback on 15 to 5 minutes. If the market give me a bearish shift and then engulfing, then am I gonna, you know, probably taking that to continue to go down. Yeah, but still, probability that we might gonna be having a bullish movement next week. So we do have pair for forex. So starting off for GBP SEC, um, we're having um indecision candle, doji candle, 1 2 3 4 weeks. So most likely daily have a clean shift already. This is the higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, failure to break in, continue to go up, and then a break, and then retesting on that. So on the 4 hour, so all I need to wait on the 4 hour is kind of the clean. We have a shift, clean bearish confirmation, then continue to taking the trade to go down. Same thing for Eurosec, same thing. Weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. All I need is kind of 1 hour bearish confirmation, and of course, right session of the market. So aiming on the Let me see here. Oh, 9 point. That's, yeah, I could see 4RR on this. COD CHF. So this one is kind of playing around Monday to Tuesday. So Wednesday, weekly is bearish, daily bearish. We have a clean shift around this part, break, then breaking that 4 hour. We have a shift. So basically, on the shift, all we need to wait is the 1 hour or lower time frame shift, but this one doesn't give us a clean one. Even the 1 hour, if you take this on Friday, I'm not gonna able to take that. If you take that, stop loss probably above here. It's not an ideal, but hoping that this one give us another retest on the retest on the 1 hour, give us a clean bearish engulfing, then we might gonna take that trade. USD JPY. So this one is kind of the like supplier demand zone from them, key level, support. If we are topping, we are selling, topping, we are selling, topping, we are selling, topping, we are selling. Daily time frame, we have a bullish, let me see, higher high, blah, blah. But this one is a high risk trade to go down, because every time we are topping selling, Rita selling, below selling. So now we're kind of having a retesting again. So on the 1 hour time frame, all I need is to have a shift and then bearish engulfing. So probably am I gonna take this CAD JPY weekly bullish. We have that pretty nice candlestick closing as bullish or indecision. Doji daily is kind of bullish, but this one is not a clear one. So my priority is the other JPY. 4 hour, 4 hour is bullish, but this one, if the lower time frame give me a bearish pullback and then the bearish pullback shift and then bullish engulfing around that area, so I'm gonna take this one. If not, then probably the JPY for this next week will be bearish move. USD CHF, weekly week pullback. On the weekly week pullback, daily have a retest on the double bottom neckline. Euro GBY clean, very clean. This is my number one pair as well. Um, weekly week pullback, daily having that retest. Euro CHF Euro. So we have a weekly bearish, daily. All I need to have a daily kind of break and then retest. NZD JPY, weekly week pullback, daily. All I need to have that having a higher low to continue to go up. GBP NZD, pretty nice. We do have this weekly indecision candle. On the indecision, daily have a shift. So on the lower high of the daily, I'm looking for the 4 hour, which is potential higher, lower high. On the lower high, all I need is to have that shift of structure on the lower time frame to continue to go down. Euro JBP, we have a weekly bearish. Daily is kind of the bearish, but all I need is to have that clean shape of structure, because this is the higher high. We are still in the zone, hoping that this one have um, break, higher low, higher high, and then shift of structure. And then on the shift of structure, lower time frame have a retest to be bullish, and then shift, and then engulfing candle, which is our confirmation to continue to go down. But so far right now, we're kind of waiting on this. But I like the weekly and daily giving us a rejection. Daily is both bearish. USD CAD, the same thing. Um, we have this kind of the um, bearish closing. So if you count this one as a higher high, so if we do have a higher high, we must gonna have a higher low. So on the higher low, we need to have a daily shift, 4 hour shift. So the 4 hour shift and this lower time frame, the pullback of the lower high of the 4 hour is bullish. So on the bullish, we are waiting for shift of the structure on the lower time frame. So hoping that might gonna be something like this, shift and then bearish to continue to go down. Um, US 30 continuation daily must have a retest. So on the retest, most likely 4 hour have a shift of structure to be bearish. So on the shift of structure in the bearish, I need a clean higher high and then the higher low, so that on the shift of structure on the 4 hour daily giving us a doji candle on the higher time frame. Euro USD, same thing, continuation to go up. NAS as well, JBP CAD, JB, JBP CAD as well. Need to retest. JBP MXN, waiting for retest. USD LPN, continue to go down. Weekly week pullback. USD SEC, weekly week pullback. EuroCAD, I need a clean retest, so am I gonna put this one on the upside? USD SEC, weekly week pullback. GJ continue to go up. We're gonna watch that one. USD MXN, weekly week pullback. Daily retest around this area of interest. GR 30, the same thing, weekly week pullback. AUDCHF, weekly week pullback to continue to go up. Yeah, hoping that next week I'm gonna catch 1 to 3 pairs.